Good day, everyone. Our topic for today is all about multiplication of rational algebraic expressions. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and hit the bell button for more updates. Also, you will find different subjects in this YouTube channel. Just select the playlist section. And now let's proceed to our main topic for today, which is all about multiplication of rational algebraic expressions. Multiplying rational expressions when P, Q, R, and S are polynomials with Q is not equal to 0 and S is not equal to 0, which is P over Q times R over S is equal to P R over QS. So this is the representation only of multiplying rational expressions, no? So yung P at yung R are the numerators, Q and S are the denominators of these two rational numbers. Okay? The P over Q and R over S. No? Tapos, i-multiply lang natin sila directly. So, P times R and Q times S. Ganun lang. And then, make sure that Q is not equal to 0 and S is not equal to 0. To understand it better, meron akong mga examples na na-prepare para sa discussion na to. Note that, after multiplying such expressions, our result may not be in simplified form. So we use the following techniques. Multiplying rational expressions. First, factor the numerators and denominators. So, ifa-factor natin sila kapag magmumultiply tayo. Okay? Next, multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. And finally, simplify or write the product in lowest terms by applying the fundamental principle to all common factors. Let us have these examples. So, before we proceed to another expression, I prepared one example which is a rational numbers, no, so that we can have a review muna, no, bago tayo mag-proceed dito sa ating rational expression. So, pag sabing expression, ito yung may letter siya, at the same time may exponent, may number, yan. Okay? So, it's a polynomial. It's a polynomial, it's a monomial, binomial, and so on. So, dito sa first example natin, 2 over 7 multiply to 5 over 10. So, how to do this one? First, for the solution, ang una natin gagawin, katulad ng ginawa natin kay P, R, and QS, pinag-dikit natin sila. So, we have 2 times 5 over 7 times 10. After that, ifa-factor out natin sila. Okay? 2 and 5 wala ng factors yan. Pero ang 7 wala na rin. Ang 10 meron pa. That is 2 and 5. Tama? Because 2 times 5 is equal to 10. So, after natin ma-factor out, okay, nakuha natin is 1 over 7. So, papaano yon? Yung 2 and 5 and 2 and 5 dito, pwede na natin silang i-cancel. Okay? Kapag meron siyang kapareho sa taas na nasa baba, pwede na natin i-cancel yon. And ang matitira na lang is 7. Bakit meron pang 1 sa taas? Of course, because our answer is a improper fraction, maglalagay tayo ng 1 sa taas. Okay? And what if kung ang answer natin ay 7? So, hindi na natin kailangan maglagay ng 1 sa baba. Okay? Hindi naman kailangan yun. Understood na yung 7 ay 7 over 1. Pero, ang 1 over 7, it is a proper fraction. I'm sorry, it's a proper fraction. So, hindi siya pwedeng gawing whole number. Okay? Now, for this, another example, ayan. So, ipagsasamahin lang natin. So, we have 8 that P squared times Q times 9 over 3 times P times q squared. So, kung nakikita nyo, pinag-iwa-hiwalay lang natin sila. Then after that, if-factor out natin yan. So, yung 8, then yung p squared, ibig sabihin dalawang p, q. Yung 9, meron din siyang factor, that is 3 times 3. Yung 8, pwede din siyang gawing 4 times 2 or 2 times 2 times 2. It's up to you how you do it. Okay? Over 3p and then dalawang q. Okay. So, kung nakikita nyo, may kapareho si p sa baba. So, pwede natin i-cancel. Si q meron din siya. And then, si 3 meron din. Okay, meron pa ba? Wala na. So, ngayon, pagsasamahin na natin yung mga natira. So, 8 times p times 3. So, dalawang number ang magkapareho, no? Parehong numerical coefficient or numbers. So, we have 3 times 8 is 24 and then just copy letter P. And dito naman sa baba ay meron lang tayong Q. So, just copy Q. So, magiging answer natin ay 3 times 8 is 24P over Q. Okay? Pwede din natin siyang isulat as ganito. 24 then P over Q. Okay. So, yan. Either of the two, pwede naman. Okay? Now, let's have, okay, just take note. It is also possible to divide out common factors in the numerator and denominator before multiplying the rational expression. Tama, no? So, pwede na natin silang i-divide bago tayo mag-multiply. Pwede naman yung mga technique na ganon. So, yung technique natin is fina-factor na muna natin sila. Okay? Okay, another example. Multiply the following rational expressions. So, we have this one. Okay, as you can see, we have 6x squared times 5x over 10x cubed, then times 12. So, anong gagawin natin dyan? Okay, so ang gagawin lang, ipa-factor out muna natin silang lahat. So, yung 6 magiging 2 times 3, yung x dalawa, so xx, then 5x. So, meron tayong mga dot sa gitna. Okay? That's a multiplication symbol. Over sa 10, meron tayong 2 times 5, x tatlo, then 12, pwede siyang 2 times 2 times 3, or 4 times 2, it's up to you. 4 times 3. And then, after that, pwede tayo mag-cancel. So, ito, kamukha lang yan, ito. Then, yung 5, ito, may kamukha din. And then, 3, meron din 3, di ba? Ito. And then, tatlong x, right? Yan. Ayan, na-cancel na yung tatlong x. May natira pa sa taas? Wala. So, gaya nung kaninang answer natin, maglalagay lang tayo ng 1 dahil proper fraction siya. And then, sa baba, may natirang dalawang 2. So, pag multiply natin, the answer is 4. Okay, tingnan natin kung tama yung answer natin. Correct. 1/4 is our answer. Another example. Multiply the following rational expressions. Ayan. So, in this portion, medyo complicated siya kung nakikita nyo. No? Meron tayong quantity m minus n squared times m over m plus n and m squared minus mn. So, ang unang gagawin, pa-factor out muna natin siya. Okay, for the m minus n, meron tayong squared. Ibig sabihin yan, dalawang m minus n. Diba? So, m minus n, m minus n. Tapos yung isang m, ito. And then, for this one, ilalabas lang natin si isang m kasi dalawa siya, tama? Pag inilabas natin si m, kumbaga ifa-factor natin itong portion na ito. Okay? So, ilalabas natin itong isang m na to at ito, bali magiging isang m lang siya. Kasi kung i-factor, kung i-multiply natin siya, m times m is m squared. M times negative n is negative mn. Okay? So, yun yung factor niya. So, inilabas natin yung m. At nung nilabas natin yung m divide m squared is m divide m is 1. Kaya natira na lang is n. Okay. So, I think alam nyo na ito, yung process ng factoring. No? So, hindi ko na kailangan pang elaborate siya. Okay. After that, pwede na tayo mag-cancel sa taas at sa baba. So, meron tayong nakikita mga similar term na halos pareho lang naman. Okay? So, may mga matitirang term pa. So, ano ang magiging answer kaya natin? Ang answer natin is m minus n over m plus n. So, pwede na natin alisin yung parenthesis kapag nakuha na natin yung answer. Okay? Alright, so this is for our example. So, another example. Write the answer in lowest term. So, kung pwede pa siyang lowest term, gagawin natin. Okay, for this one, alright, so we have 3p minus q times q over, this is p, 2, ayan. So, pagsasamahin muna natin sila. Solution, ito. So, katulad ng kanina, i-factor out lang natin 3 times p minus q times q. Hindi pwedeng p times q to kasi meron siyang minus sign. Okay? And then, ito times q. So, ito siya. Ito yan. No? And then, we have 2 times p minus q times p. Okay, for this portion, pwede na tayong mag-cancel, I think. Pwede natin i-cancel ito. Kasi pareho lang naman sila. So, kakancel natin. And then, ayan, yung matitira is 3 and Q, kaya 3Q, and then 2 and P, 2P. So, wala nang lowest term yan, except na lang kung gusto mo siyang gawing mixed number, kasi ang answer natin ay improper rational expressions, no? Dahil improper siya, bakit siya naging improper? Mas mataas yun sa numerator. So, pwede siyang i-divide. Like, ang magiging answer natin is 1, and 1 Q, or Q, pwedeng Q na lang, and then 2P. Okay, kasi dinivide natin yung 3 kay 2, kaya nakuha ko is 1 and 1 half. And then, ikakopy ko lang si Q and P. Alright, now, another example. So we have, I think this is a little complicated. So we have x squared plus 7x plus 10 times 6x minus 6 over 3x plus 6 and x squared plus 2x minus 15. So again, if-factor out lang natin yan. Okay? So ito yung ating answer, ito yung mga given natin kanina. So pinagsama lang natin. And then if-factor natin si x squared plus 7x plus 10. So mag-iisip ka ngayon ng numbers. So obviously, kapag x squared dyan, dalawang x na. And then yung 10, ano yung factor ng 10 na kapag pinag-add mo, yung dalawang factor, 7 ang makukuha mo. Tama. 5 and 2. Okay? So, dito, tama yan, no? X plus 2 and then x plus 5. Kasi yung x squared, ito, yan, na. Dalawang x. Tapos yung 10, 5 and 2. 5 plus 2, 7. For this one, we have 6x minus 6. And then, we have 3x plus 6. Ito, ang factor nito, dalawang x. So, we have x and x. And then 15, negative 15. Dalawang numbers na pag minultiply mo ay makakakuha ka ng negative 15. That is positive 15 and negative 3. Bakit positive yung 5? Kasi positive yung ating answer. So, ibig sabihin, yung pinakamataas na number ay positive. Kaya, mas mataas ang 5 kaysa kay 3. So, dito, pwede na tayong mag-cancel. So, we can cancel yung parehong numbers. No? So, ito na. Cancel na natin. Okay. Then, pwede pa. So, pwede pa natin siyang i-expand, no? Yung ating given. So, yung x, 6x minus 6, pwede mong ilabas yung 6, magiging x minus 1. Diba? Kung ifa-factor mo yung 6x minus 6. So, magiging 6 and x minus 1. Dito naman, pag ifa-factor ko siya, ilalabas ko yung pinakamalit na number, 3. So, 3 divide 3, 1. So, matitira, x. Plus, 3 divide 6, 2. Okay? Kaya ito yung nakuha natin. 3x plus 2 tsaka x minus 1. Nasaan yung 6? Ito yon. Pinactor niya. 2 times 3. So, pwede pa tayong mag-cancel. Cancel natin yung 3. Cancel natin yung x plus 5. Then, x plus 2. Ayan. So, in short, natira na lang 2x minus x minus 1 and x minus 3. So, ito na yung answer natin. Or, kung gusto mo pa, pwede mo pang i-evaluate yan. Like, 2 times x is 2x minus 2. Okay? So, that's all about for multiplication of rational algebraic expression. With that, thank you very much for listening.